Hello learners, welcome back to our class. Today I want to teach you or show you a formula of getting determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So by now we know how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So for example, if I have A, B, C, D and I'm told to find the determinant of this matrix, I just say the determinant is simply I take the product of the major diagonal, that is AD, I minus the product of the minor diagonal, that is CB. That is how you find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now for a 3 by 3 matrix, the formula is a bit different. So let us consider this matrix. So if I'm told to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, this is the formula I can use. So I say A into, I take EH Fi. So you take A, then you take this, you put them to be a 2 by 2 matrix, then you go to the next one, you take D, now you take minus D into, now you take B H C I, then lastly you take plus G into, then you take B E C F. Now when you take A, let me explain what I've done. So you avoid this row and you avoid this column. So you take this and you put them here to form a 2 by 2 matrix. When you take minus D, then you avoid this, any element in this row and any element in this column. So you take B H C I. Then you take plus G, then you avoid any element in this row and any element in this column. So you take B, E, and C, F. Then you find D1, D2, and D3. So this is the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. This is the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, and this one the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So finally, the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix is given as A multiplied by D1 minus D multiplied by D2 plus G multiplied by D3. Example. So consider this matrix. So to get the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, I take this element 1, then I form a 2 by 2 matrix by taking these elements here. So you take 1, 4, 3, 5. So you avoid elements in this row and elements in this column. Then you take these ones. Then you take minus 2 into, you avoid elements in this row and this column. So you take this. So that will be 2, 4, 5, 5. Then lastly you take plus 3. Then you avoid elements in this row and this column. So you take 2, 1, 5, 3. Then you find D1, D2, and D3. So our D1 is simply the determinant of this matrix. So we say determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, the product of the major diagonal minus the product of the minor diagonal. So this one will be 5 times 1 is 5 minus 3 times 4, which is 12. So this one simplified, it gives you negative 7. Then we have D2. So we find the determinant of this matrix. So 5 times 2, that is 10, minus 5 times 4, that is 20. So simplified, this one will give you negative 10. Then we get D3. This one will be 2 times 3, that is 6. Then minus 5 times 1, which is 5. So this one will give you 1. So we have our D1, D2, and D3. So therefore, we're going to say our determinant will be 1 multiplied by D1, which will be negative 7, then minus 2 multiplied by D2, which is negative 10, then lastly is plus 3 multiplied by D3, which is 1. So you're going to have negative 7, negative 2 times negative 10, that is positive 20, then plus 3. So if you add negative 7 plus 20 plus 3, you get 16. And that is how you get the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. See you in our next lesson. Bye.